ano ke maungo a dikgolagano tsa sediplomate magareng ga dinaga tsoopedi. Thebolelo ya didiriswa tsa boitekanelo kwa tleliniking ya kwa Qunu e gorogile ka nako e mabapi. Tleliniki eo e thusa balwetse ba ka nna 70 ka letsatsi mme e tlhamilwe ka 2008.
We cannot only relegate responsibility of delivering services to the public, to the public sector, only to government. It is important that private sector, business, civil society are able to also put their spoke in the wheel. And this I learned from none other than the esteemed granddad, well, I call him Granddad Nelson Mandela, because he felt important that we need to be able to roll out services across the country and not only in peri-urban areas.
Go le jalo, lefatshe ka bophara le santse le samagane le go lwantsha kgogomodumo ya COVID-19 mme didiriswa tseno di solofetse go dirisetswa manaane a pholo.
This global crisis requires a global solution where all states need to work together to defeat the virus and mitigate its devastating impact on human life and livelihood. The past year was indeed a challenging one for all humanity. It was, however, through the hardship that we all had to endure as a result of the global outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic that we realized the true value of our relationship and partnerships.
I would like to reaffirm the importance of continuation of support to the people in need and to serve humanity. And therefore we are also considering with Thimbical Mandela Foundation further support of construction and renovation and expansion of Qunu Clinic in the Eastern Cape.
Dikgolagano tsa kgwebisano magareng ga dinaga tsoopedi ga ise di fetoge ga kalo go tloga ka ngwaga wa 2013 go fitlhela mo ngwageng o fetileng. Molemo wa SABC News, Pretoria.